Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
All right, find time to do our intro. This place right here. The last time we came, we didn't catch nothing. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys. Let me introduce who I have with me. This is
Oh man, it's bassing, y'all already know.
the last time we came here. We didn't do nothing, man. We fished this place for a couple of hours and then wound up moving. We still didn't catch nothing. So hopefully third time is a charm here. So, but the first two times we did good. But hey, let's see what happens, you guys. Y'all stay tuned. Patrick got the first one on the bank. Look at there, you guys.
There we go, there we go. About
Nice one.
Maybe 2.5, 2.5. Maybe.
Let's get this guy back in the water, you guys. I'm not even gonna weigh him, man. I'm just gonna get him back in the water. He followed it right there, man, and grabbed it. Okay, guys. Caught him on the chatterbait with the Fluke Junior flared trailer tail on it. Let's see if we can do it again. He didn't even damage it, man. I'm impressed. Thank you, sir. The skunk is gone. Let's get you back, buddy. Thank you, buddy. Yeah, he was. I noticed that my line wasn't getting tight and it was like drifting away. He had done pulled it around like that. Wow. Okay. Thank you, sir. Let's okay. They I don't think they're looking at this. Time to switch it up. Time to switch it up, Patrick. They ain't looking at it, so.
114, guys.
There you go. Oh. Oh my God. Get in here. Oh my goodness.
That's a 5-pounder.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
That is a 5-pounder right there.
Woo, look at the mouth on this sucker, Patrick.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Look at that, Patrick.
That's a nice one. That's a nice one.
Wow.
He wanted it too.
Yeah, he won't playing, Patrick. I saw what you were doing. When you switched up, I saw the switch. I think he about 4 something. 5'3". I mean 3'5".
3.5. Okay.
Yeah.
He's a little skinny. That's
Yeah, 3'5", you guys. I'm gonna hurry up and get him back in the water. Rattle traps. You might not like what I got though. You have a specific choice, as they say on the Matrix. You have specific choices. Back. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Now that's a 5-pounder. That's a 5-pounder.
Think so? Y'all look at this.
Let's go, let's go. Yeah.
You want to use your scale, Patrick? Yours is a little better than mine, I think. Because mine, it jumps all over it's like the wind in the water. This boy's strong, Patrick. Okay. Four even.
4 even. Look at that. Five catch. Ooh, that's a nice bag. That's a nice bag.
Yeah, 4. My goodness, Patrick.
Oh man.
Y'all look how big this sucker is, you guys. 4 even. Don't it look like he's bigger than that? Let's get him back in the water, guys. Awesome. Oh my goodness. There you go, Patrick.
There you go.
Look at that monster. Look at that monster, Patrick. There you go, that monster, Patrick. Ooh, Patrick. Oh my God. Get in here. Oh my goodness.
That's a 5 pound.
That's where it's complaining. There you go.
Oh boy. Oh boy. What is that? What is that? Clyde having a ball. I tell you, Clyde is having a ball, y'all.
You want one of the red and black?
I might have to get one. You do it.
He done flung that one off so well I see it. Good gracious, guys. Look at that.
Clyde is having a ball over there.
I ain't gonna weigh this guy, man. He's about what, a good 2, 2.5.
Get
him back in the water, guys. Okay. Wet up my glass. Just got on another nice one here. Let's see what he weighs. Feel a little heavier this side.
That's what it is.
38. 3.8? What? Okay. 3.8, you guys. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Look at it. Look at the mouth on this guy, you guys, and look at the size of him. But yeah, look how slim he is. He was laying right on directly on the bottom.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's hurry and get him back in the water, man, because this. Let's hurry and get him back. Popeyes. You get him? Yeah, yeah. Come on, buddy. Wake up. There you go. There you go. Wake up, buddy. Wake up. There you go. Thank you, buddy. Yeah, man, he went limp.